Exercise 22. Maria is planning to sell cookies from stands she placed in front of 3 stores at no cost. She spent $420 to purchase 3 empty display cases and 8,000 cookies. Maria expects to sell a total of 400 cookies, so 400 cookies per week. At this rate, how many weeks will it take to sell all the cookies from her initial cookie purchase? Excuse me. So, originally she bought 8,000 cookies. Now, she expects to sell 400 cookies per week. How many weeks will she need to sell them all? I will just divide the 8,000, the total amount of her cookies, by 400, and that would have been 20. So she will need, at this rate, 20 weeks to sell them all. So the right answer would have been B.